Welcome to the Gig House Kitchen, let's mix. Today I'm going to be making my own signature twist on a classic Tom Collins. So let's get mixing. So to make this cocktail I'm going to need, first off, my Boston glass. And to this I'm going to add a few sprigs of fresh rosemary. And I've also added to that a good pinch of salt. Nothing over the top, just like a very small, sexy Turkish man, because I want to enhance the savoury flavour of the rosemary, because that in contrast with the strawberry works really, really well. You can also make this cocktail with tarragon or sage, anything, but it needs to be sort of savoury herb. Even basil, actually, that goes really well on Tom Collins. And with that in my glass, I'm now going to take my muddling stick and I'm going to bash the rosemary a little bit. Now, you don't want to make the rosemary into a pulp, obviously, because otherwise you'll get little bits of rosemary in your drink and it won't be so nice. However, I do want to bruise the rosemary to get the oils to escape so that you get the full effect of the rosemary. If you want to add herbs to your drink, you probably should do this to most herbs. Something I wouldn't advise it for is a soft herb, sort of like basil, because it will bruise the leaves and you won't actually get all that much benefit from it, and it can also make the basil go bitter. However, rosemary is a bit more hardy, so you can get away with it here. Okay, so now I've got the nice fragrance from the rosemary. I'm going to add 2 large strawberries, and those I'm also going to mush up. And now to that, I'm going to add 2 shots of gin. You can always use vodka as well, but classically a Tom Collins is served with gin. And then I have got lemon juice, and for that I'm going to add a shot. And then I'm going to add my sugar syrup. So it's going to be about 1/4 of a shot. And then I'm going to add my ice. And as you can tell, I've worn black today, so I'm really hoping I don't pop the Boston, because that will not be fun. And as you will not be surprised, a Collins is served in a Collins glass, which is usually just a long, tall, straight tumbler. So to this I'm going to add some ice. And I'm going to strain this. However, I'm actually going to double strain this today because I don't want the pulp from the strawberry and the rosemary to be floating around the glass, because I'm going to top this with lemonade, and pulpy drinks with lemonade and it's all fizzing and it never looks very attractive. So I'm going to double strain them. Okay. So now I've got my glass about almost full. And to this, I'm just going to top it up with a touch of lemonade. You can also use soda water if you prefer something a little less flavoured, but I think it works really well with lemonade. And as we all know, we want cocktails to engage all of our senses. So in here, we've got our sweet, our sour, our lemon, but we want to engage the scent of smell. So to do that, I'm actually going to tap my rosemary a few times with the muddling stick just to get the scent out before I drop this into my glass. And now you're going to have the scent of rosemary be the first thing that you get before you get your drink, and then hopefully that will just enhance all the rosemary flavour that's inside. So there you have it, a strawberry and rosemary Collins. Thank you for joining us. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and make sure to comment down below if there's anything you'd like to see made on this channel. See you next time in the Gig House Kitchen. Bye!